Yes, so I don't come again today. Now your girl and stop. Please like, share, subscribe. Okay. Today for this house we dey bring daily matchup and most of our celebrities them. Yes, today. Our celebrities they go enter the year like Kobos, like Atalaku and daily matchup for Facebook. Una know you know. Yes. So today I want to talk about this thing today. I wake up and see some girl for Facebook. In name na It's Favor. Where he be bit depressed, he lock himself for inside room for 4 days without food, without anything. Then the fifth day where they take him go hospital, he lost his own life. So if I see all these things there, it boils down to depression. And it no be stay away some girl be take his own life for Dubai here because of depression. Some Cameroonian girl be take his life for Dubai here because of depression. Another one take his life too just of reason when a Ghanaian just of recent because of depression. So more dey see and say this depression thing is real. It's real. Who will fit trust am with our privacy? Who will fit give our privacy to it? Who will fit open up? Because the only way we fit fight against depression na by talking. The only way we fit fight this depression na by talking. See, we are losing too much souls nowadays. Even though the talk say the Bible preach say nothing be worth taking your own life, but it's happening. It's a deadly reality that is happening now. So what we go for do now na for find a solution. Since this thing don strike, we go for find a solution for this thing. Depression is real, and if you ask me, the first cure for depression na talk. And the people that too that they receive am, if you keep this thing when the person can't open up for you, it dey like now, for example, person fit go get contract HIV, it come for a friend who can't tell you, but it is fear because as if be depressed with this HIV, if you tell a friend open her up to the world, they stigmatize it go be more depression for you. Better if you keep her for yourself. So I feel the tongue now that they confuse why daily matchup and Kobos and Atalaku they be involved for the thing. Yes, when you come for daily matchup you own. Now woman a motivational speaker. Na person wey dey encourage people them. It dey motivate people them. But now 2 times this thing dey happen for your show. Say people there they be at the verge of dying, they come for you, you know be see their message. Why it be so? Why you dey see that people the way they talk about relationship, that people they talk about cheating husband, that people they talk the one take my master, the one that they talk this. Why you dey always see their message? But these people the way they be at the verge of dying when they need you at that time, you know they see their messages them. I know the fight you and the one just tell you say pay attention to all of your followers because waiting you don't decide say you want to put yourself out there like a celebrity, like a public figure, like a motivational speaker. You get for know say it takes a lot. Not be when you don't happen you come for social media kind of cry. Yes, we appreciate the fact that you cry, but pay attention to your inbox. Try to know this person they talk so, this person they talk so. Screw am. When you see the important one, pick am because this thing don't repeat the 2 times. The second time, the first one that they gave for Dubai way, it writes you. It say anybody there to talk, anybody there to chat. That guy writes you. It talk for you. You know see am. You know see am because you can't get excuse to be busy. It's Favor two way just die for Cameroon. It writes you also. You can't get the same excuse to be busy. If you go for the It's Favor in Facebook page, you go see and see that picking where it encourage stars them, it encourage public figure them, it share them, it celebrate them. I see it share Atalaku in wedding, it share Kobos in Massa, it share them, it celebrate people them. Like this daily matchup, so that picking the post, it share daily matchup, it write up them. But when it be need these were celebrities, that these were public figures, and no man not be there for talk to you. And then the defend they get the best way for this life now to starve yourself to death or kill yourself. But we need some people to talk to them. You know, some people they don't trust the people they making around them. Now why they go extra mile for talk to people the way they even see them. You know, if you only motivate person physically, it be look around, it choosing a daily matchup fee, listening to you. You sure say this Kobos way it post the Kobos, it share the Kobos video them. You sure say if you be going na for Kobos inbox, Kobo for see message. You sure? You sure say if you be kind for Mama Atalaku inbox it post them, it write them for read the message save. See what I want to talk say celebrity then no man, una no minimize no man for a platform. Because the way you dey look at you dey look am na say if Kobos comment from Mama Talaku go see am, or if some big person wey reach for Cameroon comment Mama Talaku go see am, or if some person wey be closer to Mama Talaku comment Mama Talaku go see am, but they forget for know say una real fan base na that one they at the floor level, they need even when they not be you no fit even identify them. Na that one they be your core, na that one they be your heart fans them. And also yes, when I get a lot for a table, but some critical messages that they you know get for look for who way it come up for, you get for look at the content for that message. We get a lot of celebrity the way if you write there even 100 times they don't ever reply you. But they day for their inbox, the day online that they choose who they will talk to. Daily Match, I come today, I like my camera for you because now the second time this thing dey happen. And you always can cry for Facebook, say, I wish I saw it, I wish I could talk to you, I am screaming loud, I am do this. Why are you seeing those other messages that you are reposting and you cannot see the messages of people who are at the verge of taking their own life? We never can hear for can't defend any person, but depression is real. I be the fair talk say why person go be depressed to the extent of taking his own life. But when I study about depression, I say depression you find yourself for the way where your mind already be turned upside down, make you feel like now only death be the last option. More no the shy for talk about these things then. Most of our celebrities they not sure say if we will come from our inbox talk something. No be what they get, no be want that money. You don't want anything. You just want to see me talk for you. You don't want me to do anything. Just talk for you. Just making me feel like say if the people that are around you, they don't feel understand you feel understand me. What celebrity the moon and let it look now about person way. Maybe you go look say I go talk to the person too because the person they feel where they do and the person as fellow celebrity and a fellow public figure. Man reply for the one because I know the one person personally, I don't know the one personally. Man reply for the one because I know say the one and zero I go get something for the. You find them and that one they at the ground level. Daily Match Up, I see how you whip. But now the 2 times why you know they ever see that people they are messages when they are at the verge of dying. And no matter so be their savior. But if person run cafe and inbox in office to you, it means so you get an impact for that person in life. That means the person don't see you like a role model. The person don't see you like person way if it talk for you. Go for that girl it favor. You go see how it encourage celebrity, it share, it post. That girl will be very active on Facebook. But it just died just like that. It just died like that. I get it right up when Daily Matches can post them. Daily Matches post and say it's here for your inbox. You do always see now when these girls them are already dead. But you see how other people they jump for you, enter for you, fly for you, match for you. You see them, but you know the city one them. Open your eye, let me big too. You be celebrity, you be big man. Oh my, even me so they look up to you. Them say meetings on there, I go there for my room to die. I go write to Daily Match Up. You know go see them. You go can't see them only after I don't die. Because me if I be a fan. Cowboys, Mama Talaku. I never just wanna do anything wrong. I just ask and I say, una sure say if this girl become the phone inbox with that big platform when I get her so una for see him. Una for see him. You MTV. How many times I don't write for your inbox? Say me you give me shout out, so I be new YouTuber. You never ever give me shout out. But you give shout out for the big popular people then. But you two can light a camera, you talk how they need to respond. We want to respond with the like, with the comment, what you don't do. Wait you don't do for we. What you don't do for we. I know some was celebrated they be exceptional, that they respond, that they accept, that they accept their mistakes them, and that they respond to people that no matter who. But that they call up to una say una fan them and that one they wanna feel so that they know nothing to know nothing. The people there they crash on another one they wanna feel so now una die-hearted fan them. But una die-hearted fan them now we will there for down, we will there for the ground level. Daily Match Up time for the put your antenna there so for up because you talk so you there for that place and for motivate people. You don't have to motivate people, talk people there out from their depression. No go talk for them now for grave. No calm the post when na only this person go born with this person, the master this person. Be that person wey fit stand to say I saved this person from depression. She was about to die and I saved her from depression. Take your glory. Abeg una, I say my run can't drop this thing today because the thing over worry me. It over worry me. And also I no be perfect. I fit don put my words there for some way, but una try to get at the sense so I try to put them out there. Say be one another's keeper. Listen to the depressed. Fight for the oppressed. Give listening ear because depression don't be na real for our society. Depression dey kill for our society now. So be one another's keeper. Be that person that can trust you. Be that person that they can say, if not for this person, where would I have been today? Depression is real. It's very real. I beg una my people, I want to thank una for supporting me up to this extent, and also una get my back every time, every day. I thank una so much. Please una subscribe to my channel, una like, una comment. I really appreciate the people that they comment for my channel. I like the encouragement. I want to thank the people that they don't shout me out for other people that will know about me. But depression is real. I love una too much. Take care. Bye.